Hello friends, today we are going to make very basic programs on logic gates. Okay, these are logic gates and or not, nor, NAND, XOR and XNOR. So let us go through their truth table. So here it is. Inputs are A and B and all other are outputs. So suppose in AND gate, if A and B both are low, then output will be low. If anyone from the A or B is low, output will again be low. The output will be on or output will be high when A and B both are on. Okay, so let's make that program. Uh, this is our WPLSoft. It is provided by Delta. So let's make program LDX0. Okay, so suppose X0 is wait a second. Okay, X0 is our A. Sorry, X0 is A, X1 is B, Y0 is output. Okay, now make program. Okay, so X0, X1, okay, both are in series and output Y, okay, output Y0. So when X1 and X2 both inputs are in series, they will act as AND gate. Okay, so let's give this row a name and gate. Okay, okay, so AND gate. Now let's run it. This is simulator. Okay, first compile it. It is compiled. We have clicked on our simulator. Now we will go into online mode. Okay, now we are online mode, and here from this we can run our PLC or can run our simulator. Okay, now it is in run mode. You can see from here. Okay, let's again go to the truth table. When A and B both are on, sorry, both are off, at that time output will be off. Okay, so see in this situation, when A is off, B is off, output is already in off. Second case, when A is off, B is on, output is off. Okay, here if we put A in on, B in off, output is off because both are in series. Third condition was when A is off and B is on. Again the same thing, output will be off. When A and B both are on, at that time the output will be on. This is an AND gate. Here you can see. Okay, understand? Now let's make a program for OR gate. Okay, so delete this one. Again we will take X0 and output is different. So it is Y1 and take X1 in parallel with X2. Okay, so now what happens when we took X1 in parallel, sorry, X1 in parallel with X2, it will behave like an OR gate. So what will happen now? Just run that program. Okay, okay. Now they are in run mode. You can see here. This is in run mode. So now when X0, X1 both are off, output is off. If anyone from it is on at that time, output is off. This is OR gate. You can see here in AND gate, A is on, but output is off. But in OR gate, A is on, output is on. Okay, do one more thing. B, 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 OR gate. Okay, okay. And when A is off, B is on, that time output will also be on. This is in OR gate. And when both are on, output is on. Okay, so this is example of an AND gate and OR gate. Similarly, we will make ladder logics for other gates also, but it will be in our next video. Okay, so hope you understand this.